Hello everybody. Okay, Ras here. Okay, I'm going to share with you for today, right? Uh, the topic that probably you guys will know. Okay, let's say if you miss a move, like example right now, right? You can see gold is trending up, and then you will say, "Oh damn, I missed the move." So, do you want to chase it and buy it, or you want to wait? So the thing is, right? So these are the three steps that I would highly recommend when you are taking your if you miss a move. Okay, if you miss a move, it's okay, the market will come back, but always wait based on the 3 points, right? Always based on the 3 points first. Okay, before, let's say, you identify the trending move first. In this case, right, if you look at gold right now, right, now you have missed this buy move. Okay, if you have missed this buy move, right, it doesn't matter. For instance, in this case, you missed this buy move. Okay, which is right now here. This is the buy move right now. This is the trending move towards the upside. Correct? So when you identify the trending move first, in this case, right, you identify that the trending move is towards the upside. Okay? Towards the upside. So right now, there's no point for you to enter any kind of buy at this moment because it will not be fruitful, I would say. Yeah, I mean, you should have buy earlier here. But as I say, even if you miss this buy, it's okay. Let's see if if you identify the trending move already, the second thing is you wait for the pullback. Okay, number two, wait for the pullback. You identify the trending move, you wait for the pullback, wait for market to stall, or wait for the pullback, and then you buy again on a weak sell momentum close, like in this case. Alright, you buy on weak sell momentum close. So for buy orders, right, identify trending move, buy on weak sell momentum close. Okay, wait for pullback and then buy on weak sell momentum close. So these are the 3 points that you want to take note when if you miss out on a pair. Okay, so this is the example for gold right now. Okay, if you miss this move, it's okay. Let's just wait for a pullback because right now we have not seen any weak sell momentum, but we are seeing a very strong buy momentum. Okay, but if the next candle comes strong sell momentum, then you have to wait. Okay, if it comes like this strong sell momentum, we have to wait. Okay, you miss it, it's okay, leave it. Okay, there's no point chasing it because for gold, right, you chase, it will be, I mean, your your floating loss, right, will be more great. So don't do that. I'm going to give an example for another pair, which is Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, on the 4 hour, we can see that this trend is moving towards the downside, right? So the thing is, like, can we take a sell right now? So if you are going to buy on a weak sell momentum, for a sell, we want to sell on a weak. For buy is weak sell momentum. For sell, you want to wait for a weak buy momentum close before you want to take a sell. Okay, anything that is weak, you will go and take a sell. So right now, even though this is a downtrend, is there any evidence that's a weak buy momentum here? There isn't, right? So if there is no weak buy momentum around here, we can't go and sell. But do we want to buy? Which we want to be buy in this case. So for instance, for me, right, if we want to buy in this case, like, it's a bit, I'm not trying to say that it won't work. The thing is that you are not going to follow the concept of trend trading. You are going to take a buy from this position right now, because if you look at the higher time frames, right, for this pair, for the higher time frames, right, it's really towards the downside. That up move in the 4 hour, right, is actually a weak buy momentum. Okay, it's a weak buy momentum. Right now it's a weak buy momentum. So price is stalling in this case. Okay, and you look at price breaking new lows, and new lows. So in this case, right, it's more of a downtrend. So in this case, right, this is the trending move. So what is price doing right now? Stalling or wait for pullback. Okay, and then the trending move should happen soon. I don't know, but this is only Monday, so we're not going to look for any sells at the moment. Okay, but I'm not looking to buy because for the weekly, the reason why I'm not going to buy Euro or C, right, let me give you from the higher time frame perspective, right? If you go from the monthly perspective, okay, if you look from the monthly perspective, right, this is a coiling inside bar pattern. If this is the mother bar, this is the inside bar. Price is still within this mother bar, as you can see right now. So as what I share with you guys, right, if you look at this kind of mother bar, would you want to mark the low or you want to mark the high? In this case, it's more into marking the previous high, because price is not able to push past the previous high for a few months now. Okay, and then for instance, there's a rally. This is a rally now. Price is making a base. So let me I'll just put the, because this is where all this price meet, right? Okay, I don't want to mark too many levels. Okay, so I will mark this level first, and then this is the money candle, because the way I see it, right, price is on inside bar coiling, so I'm more looking towards a sell rather than a buy in this case. If you want to buy from here, last month we were telling you that this is a weak buy momentum, correct? So would you want to buy on a weak buy momentum, or you want to buy on a weak sell momentum? Okay, so in this case, right, it's a weak buy momentum close. Even this is the weak sell momentum, but price cannot go up really. So in this case, the buyers are no longer in control, and you can see the reduction of momentum based on these two bullish candles, right? So it's more of a sell in the monthly. It might not work this month, but probably next month. So you can keep this setup for the next few months. Okay, for the next few months, because I'm not positive. I'm not really see that this pair is going up. I'm more focused that it's going to break out of this low of this inside bar breakout, which signaling a change of direction from an uptrend to a downtrend. Okay, so that is the UOC. Okay, for right now it's still early, so I can't do anything. So let's just wait, because inside bar here coiling, inside bar fakey here, and then price went down, so it's more into the downside in the weekly. And then if you look at the weekly right now, right, based on ignore the current candle that is running, if you look at the previous week, right, price is making lower high. Okay, this is the high, lower high, lower high, lower high, so it's still lower high. So in this case, it's still a downtrend. Who's in control? Sellers are still in control. So we are looking more into a sell rather than a buy. Okay, but for right now, it seems like price is making a support. Okay, but the thing is, right, is a weak buy momentum. Okay, so for daily close weak buy momentum, for now I don't want to sell yet. Okay, the reason why I don't want to sell, as I shared with you just now, if I want to sell in the 4 hour, I want to make sure that I see a weak buy momentum after a strong sell momentum. Okay, like this guys, strong sell momentum, weak buy momentum, go ahead for your sell. Okay, weak buy momentum, go ahead for your sell. See the momentum, the momentum for the buy has slightly increased right now, so there is no indication for us to look for a buy. See, even if you buy from this moment, see, price still pushing down. So the thing is, right, don't fight the trend. Okay, don't fight the trend. So in this case, it will probably just play around here for a while. I think so. But we are in this, you will also look for a sell at the moment. Okay, so remember, identify trending move, wait for a pullback. Okay, like example, the trending move is towards the downside right now, there's no trending move towards the upside, and then wait for a pullback, which is a pullback right now here, but there is no weak buy momentum in order for us to take any kind of entry, so this one can leave it. Aussie yen, let's see. Aussie yen is a bit dodgy because price is making a lot of sideways movement. I will leave it alone also. Let me go for Aussie cat. Okay, like Aussie cat right now is also dodgy because of the gap, so it's a bit it's an uptrend still, but I would have preferred a more weaker sell momentum, but now the momentum start to build up, so not really. Okay, not really. And furthermore, at the location at where price is, right, to buy at this moment is very suicidal. So leave it. So see you on Tuesday or Wednesday, then see the market will pick up. Just remember the 3 points that I share with you. Okay, the 3 points here. Yeah. Okay, if you miss a setup, right, it's okay. Identify the trending move first. After you identify the trending move, okay, after you identify the trending move, buy on weak sell momentum, or you wait for the pullback. Once the pullback happens, then look for a buy. Okay, in this case right now, right, we have seen a trending move. So wait for a pullback, and then the pullback, that means must be in the form of a bearish candle. Okay, the pullback must be in the form of a bearish candle. This is a, I would say this is a pullback, good pullback, because why? Strong buy momentum followed by weak sell momentum, pullback, and then price continue way up. Okay, in this case, right, this is not really a strong move. Okay, that's why price go down even higher. This one is technically a bit stronger than this one, but then it takes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 H4 candles before another trending move go up. So right now we are just waiting for a trending move towards the downs, pullback. Okay, once the pullback happens, then you can look for long for gold. Alright, so that's it. I will see you guys on this coming Sunday. Okay, cheers, bye bye.